Living in Kansas City say they have gone almost 2 weeks without running water. Investigative reporter Matt Fleener is getting answers for those family members, and he's at the Olive Park Village Apartments to tell us their latest battle.
No water, no help. That's what residents say they've dealt with here at the Olive Park Village in Kansas City, Missouri.
This is the water we filling up.
Bottles of water are all Nichelle Robinson has inside her apartment at the Olive Park Village since pipes broke in her apartment nearly 2 weeks ago.
This is the hot water. It's on. Nothing coming out.
Yeah, because my heat don't work.
One floor below, Taniqua Gaines is heating her apartment with her oven. She says her landlord hasn't fixed her furnace. There's holes where mice have come in, and her water doesn't work either.
Send somebody out here, send people out here, corporate, something, because this is ridiculous.
Roaches infest the property too. An extra insult to the struggle for basics. Outside, we tried to talk to apartment managers.
We just tried to ask some questions to the guy in the office here, and he shut the blinds, shut the window very quickly.
The property is owned by Millennia out of Ohio.
The property owner, manager need to be exposed because it is not cool.
Robinson says she just needs water and help. Matt Fleener, KMBC 9 News.
And we're still waiting to hear back from Millennia Companies. We learned today the Housing Authority is inspecting 28 properties after what we documented today. If you have an issue and need help, you can email us at investigates@kmbc.com and tell us your story.